My bread used to breathe on the kitchen shelf, bubble and rise, just minding itself. Didn't need packets, didn't need speed, just flour, some water, and time to leave. Now bread's in a bag, shelf life a year, ingredient list longer than it needs to appear. Eat it real quick, belly says why. Turns out rush grain got an alibi. Bread that breathes takes a little while. Slow rise, wild yeast, old school style. If you rush the grain, your gut complains. Funny how patience helps digest the pain. They said, who's got time for that today? Then wonder why food don't feel the same. Turns out the secret wasn't yeast machines, it was letting bread do bread things. Wild yeast floating all through the air, land in a jar like, hey, we live here. Break down grain, unlock the good, make minerals work like they always should. Grandma didn't call it fermentation, she just said don't rush creation. But when speed became the highest goal, we traded nourishment for control. Bread that breathes takes a little while. Slow rise, wild yeast, old school style. If you rush the grain, your gut complains. Funny how patience helps digest the pain. They said, who's got time for that today? Then wonder why food don't feel the same. Turns out the secret wasn't yeast machines, it was letting bread do bread things. The yeast wasn't the problem, we just stopped listening. So if your bread feels heavy and your stomach's ning, so if your bread feels heavy and your stomach's mad, maybe fast food ain't all you had. Not fancy, not trendy, not new cuisine, just old bread of wisdom sneaking back in. Turns out even bread needs time to grow up.
Turn this into a comedy teaching song cycle. Create one for the song be forgotten.